From January to June 2025, scientists discovered 5 remarkable new bird species across Europe. These discoveries expand our understanding of biodiversity and highlight the importance of conservation. The yellow-breasted sparrow, discovered in Poland's Białowieża forest, displays brilliant yellow chest plumage. High in the Swiss Alps, the alpine redstart thrives above 2,000 meters with its vibrant red throat. Germany's Black Forest revealed the gray woodpecker, distinguished by its unique gray plumage and drilling behavior. The magnificent northern sea eagle, with its 2.5-meter wingspan, soars along Norway's Tromsø coast. Sardinia's Mediterranean skylark enchants with complex songs and delicate brown-white plumage. Each species represents Europe's incredible natural heritage. But habitat loss and climate change threaten these discoveries. We must support conservation efforts and ethical birdwatching practices to ensure these magnificent species survive for future generations. Thank you for watching.